Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Gabriela Indah Brigita. My major is Business Education, Faculty of Economy, State University of Jakarta. On this occasion, please allow me to present about my thesis. The title of my thesis is The Effect of Self-Control, Parental Socialization, and Financial Literacy on the Saving Behavior on Vocational High School Students. Let's begin to the presentation. Chapter 1, Background. Research background. In the current era of globalization, the time have brought many very rapid changes, especially in the financial sector, both in terms of investment, banking, and individual financial behavior in managing money. The size of the income received by a person often affects the way a person manages his finance. Therefore, good financial behavior needs to be possessed by everyone in order to create wise and orderly financial management habits in supporting their life. One tangible form of good financial behavior in the existence of saving behavior from an early age, which is applied in the community. However, saving behavior among young people in Indonesia is still difficult to do. Next. This is supported by a Commonwealth Bank survey stat that there are as many as 53% of young Indonesians who think that saving is easy to do. However, in practice, saving is still difficult to do. This research on the financial behavior of young people in Indonesia found that the majority of respondents thought that they were very consumptive and had difficulty saving, and did not have good saving habits so that they become wasteful, Salbia 2021. In addition to consumptive behavior, the low level of public financial literacy also affects saving behavior. This is supported by a national survey conducted by OJK every 3 years starting from 2013, 2016, and most recently 2019 to determine the level of financial literacy of the Indonesian people. This national survey provides an overview of the financial literacy condition of the Indonesian people. Financial literacy is knowledge, skills, and belief that influence individual attitudes and behavior in an effort to improve the quality of decision-making and financial management in order to achieve prosperity. Next. Based on data from the National Financial Literacy and Inclusion Survey and SNLIK, the Financial Literacy Index of the Indonesia people in 2019 show a figure of 38.03%, still less than 50%, which means that out of every 100 people, there are only about 38 people who have good financial literacy, although the result show an increase from the previous survey, namely 21.8% in 2013 and 29.7% in 2016. This data show that there are still many Indonesians who do not have good financial literacy because they have not reached 50%. When referring to the 2019 Financial Literacy Index data above, it can be concluded that out every 100 residents, there are around 62 people who do not have the right knowledge, belief, skill, attitudes, and behavior about financial service institutions and products and service formal finance that affect saving behavior. Then in the second graphic image show that the level of financial literacy is classified based on the level of work. The percentage of financial literacy is calculated by comparing the number of respondents who have financial literacy with the total number of respondents for each type of work. From the graphic, it can be seen that the percentage of student financial literacy is still low at 31.69%. And next, based on the graphic, the percentage of financial literacy based on age classification in the 2019 National Financial Literacy and Inclusion Survey, or SNLIK, show the same pattern as the 2016 SNLICA, where the 15 until 17 years old group has the lowest percentage of financial literacy compared to other age group, namely 5.20% in 2016 and 15.92% in 2019, where the age group is teenager who occupy education at the senior high school or vocational high school level. For this reason, efforts to increase the literacy in this age group need to be further improved in order to create prosperity in financial management, which can be started by directing saving behavior from an early age. In addition to financial literacy, saving behavior is also influenced by self-control, parental socialization, and financial attitudes. Based on the explanation of research problems that have been explained about the low level of financial literacy and the factor that influence saving behavior and the lack of research on financial attitude as an intervening variable from financial literacy and saving behavior, researchers are interested in conducting further research with the aim of knowing the effect of self-control, parental socialization, and financial literacy through financial attitudes towards saving behavior in vocational high school students. Next, this is the research purposes. The objectives to be achieved in this research are: first, to analyze the effect of self-control and saving behavior in vocational students. Second, to analyze the effect of parental socialization on saving behavior in vocational students. Third, to analyze the effect of financial literacy on saving behavior in vocational students. Fourth, to analyze the effect of financial literacy and financial attitude in vocational students. Fifth, to analyze the effect of financial attitude on saving behavior in vocational students. Next, chapter 2, literature review. Supporting theory. Theory of planned behavior. The theory of planned behavior of TPB was coined by Azan, 1991, which states that if someone carries out some behavior or causes a behavior, it is because the person has a goal to carry it out. In other words, its individual perform a behavior due to a certain intention or purpose. Budiono 2020. There are 3 concepts contained in the TPB, namely attitudes toward the behavior, subjective norms, and perceived behavior control. Next, saving behavior. According to Kenny 2020, saving behavior can be interpreted as a process of placing a number of excess funds owned by individuals with the aim of fulfill future needs, financial planning, and security in terms of saving funds for emergencies. Next, financial attitude. According to Humaira and Sagoro, financial attitude are thoughts, opinion, and judgment on finance that are owned by a person and the use of financial principles in order to maintain value to create the right decision-making on financial management so that a person belief can have an impact on evaluate their action in using or not using the money they have. Next. Self-control. According to Rahma 2019, self-control is an individual skill in restraining oneself from the encouragement of the surrounding environment and the conflict between desires and fulfillment of needs. And then parental socialization. According to Cartoon 2018, parents can be said to be the first teachers for their children. Children will follow the habits or behavior of their parents in teaching and disseminating knowledge about finance so that it can have a very large impact on the emergence of children's saving behavior. Next, financial literacy. According to Sanjiwa and Hongbing 2019, financial literacy can be referred to as a process in improving one's knowledge and skill in finance. This ability will be an individual strength in managing finance and increasing awareness in money management. Next, theory review. First hypothesis, self-controlled saving behavior, sourced by Alom et al., Omar et al., Ningsi et al., Rahma, Kalima et al., said that self-control has a positive effect on saving behavior. Second hypothesis, parental socialization to saving behavior. sourced by Omar et al., Homan, Shirom et al., Kalima et al., Katun, said that parental socialization has a positive effect on saving behavior. Next. Third hypothesis, financial literacy to saving behavior. Sourced by Empata et al., Awais et al., Kalima et al., Karunetti et al., Naradin et al., said that financial literacy has a positive effect on saving behavior. For hypothesis, financial literacy to financial attitude. Sourced Widyati et al., Amelia Tian Setiani, Andansari, Jamal et al., Potets et al. Said that financial literacy has a positive effect on financial attitude. Fifth hypothesis, financial attitude to saving behavior. Sourced by Young et al., Irwanto, Agustin, Wati, Swastawan, and Dewi, financial attitude has a positive effect on saving behavior. Next. This is the theoretical framework, and this is the hypothesis. First hypothesis, self-control has a positive effect on saving behavior in vocational student. Second hypothesis, parental socialization has a positive effect on saving behavior in vocational student. Third hypothesis, financial literacy has a positive effect on saving behavior in vocational student. Fourth hypothesis, financial literacy has a positive effect on financial attitudes in vocational student. Fifth hypothesis, financial attitude have a positive effect on saving behavior in vocational student. Next, Chapter 3, Research Methods. Research time, June 2021 until July 2022. Research place. This research was conducted in all vocational high school in Jabodetabek. Research approach. This research used a quantitative approach because it's referred to the calculation of research data analysis in the form of numbers. Quantitative research aims to show the relationship between variables, test theories, and look for generalization that have predictive value. Method of collecting data, use survey method with questionnaire distribution. Next. Population. The population used in this research is vocational high school student in Jabodetabek, both private school student and public school student. Sample. The sample in this research is vocational high school student class 10, 11, 12 with a minimum age criteria of 15 years until 18 years who had saved. The sampling technique used in this research is a purposive sampling. Researchers use purposive sampling technique due to the consideration of certain characteristics of respondents who will fill out the questionnaire. Respondent in this research are 200 respondents. Data collection technique. Questionnaire using Google Form, distributed by online. Measurement scale using Likert type scale, 6-point. Answer criteria, strongly disagree, disagree, slightly disagree, slightly agree, agree, and strongly agree. Next, data analysis technique. This validity test using SPSS with the EVA or exploratory factor analysis method. Second, reliability test using SPSS software with Cronbach's alpha approach. Third, model feasibility test using AMOS software with goodness of fit criteria assessment. And last, hypothesis testing using SAM by using the t-value with a significance level of 0.05, condition for the value of CR more than 1.96, and P less than 0.05. Next, Chapter 4, discussion and result. This is the respondent profile. The most respondent profile based on gender is woman as 158 respondent or 60.1%. The most respondent profile based on age is 17 years old as 105 respondent or 39.9%. And then the most respondent profile based on school status is public school as 171 respondent or 65%. And then the most respondent profile based on grade level is class 11 as 113 respondent or 43%. Next, the most respondent profile based on major is online business and marketing as 115 respondent or 43.7%. And the most respondent profile based on school area is Jakarta as 117 respondent or 44.5%. Next, the most respondent profile based on place to saving is home or piggy bank as 175 respondent or 66.5%. The most respondent profile based on amount of money that can be saved a month is more than 100,000 rupiah as 71 respondent or 27%. Next, this is the validity and reliability test for variable of saving behavior. Based on the table, the indicators owned by the saving behavior variable have a high factor loading value of more than 0.40 in every indicator. This shows that all indicators of the saving behavior variable can be said to be valid. In addition, the result of the reliability test also get good result, which are more than 0.70, so that the saving behavior variable has a good reliability. Next, this is validity and reliability test for variable of financial attitude. Based on the table, the indicators owned by this financial attitude variable have a high factor loading value of more than 0.40 in every indicator. This shows that all indicators of the financial attitude variable can be said to be valid. In addition, the result of the reliability test also get good result, which are more than 0.70, so that this financial attitude variable has a good reliability. Next, this is validity and reliability test for variable of self-control. Based on the table, the indicators owned by this self-control variable have a high factor loading value of more than 0.40 in every indicator. This shows that all indicators of self-control variable can be said to be valid. In addition, the result of the reliability test also get good result, which are more than 0.70, so that this self-control variable has a good reliability. Next, this is validity and reliability test for variable of parental socialization. Based on the table, the indicators owned by this parental socialization variable have a high factor loading value of more than 0.40 in every indicator. This shows that all indicators of parental socialization variables can be said to be valid. In addition, the result of the reliability test also get good result, which are more than 0.70, so that this parental socialization variable has a good reliability. Next, this is the validity and reliability test for variable of financial literacy. Based on the table, the indicators owned by this financial literacy variable have a high factor loading value of more than 0.40 in every indicators. This shows that all indicators of the financial literacy variable can be said to be valid. In addition, the result of the reliability test also get good result, which are more than 0.70, so that this financial literacy variable has a good reliability. Next, model feasibility test. This is model feasibility test path diagram figure, and this is table of goodness of it. Based on the goodness of fit table, overall, this research model has met the criteria of the goodness of fit index. So this research model can be said to be fit because the calculated value has exceeded the cutoff value in the goodness of fit index. Next. This is hypothesis testing. This is the table of hypothesis testing. Based on the result of the hypothesis testing, the results show that the 5 hypotheses of this study are accepted because they have met the requirement of the CR value, which is more than 1.96, and P is less than 0.05. Direct influence. This is the table of direct influence. Self-control to variable saving have direct effect as 0.128, and then parental socialization to saving behavior have direct effect. Financial literacy to saving behavior have direct effect and indirect effect. Financial literacy to financial attitude have direct effect, and financial attitude to saving behavior also have direct effect. Next, chapter 5, conclusion. Conclusion. First, the variable of self-control has a positive and significant effect on saving behavior in vocational student. Second, the variable of parental socialization has a positive and significant effect on saving behavior in vocational student. Third, the variable of financial literacy has a positive and significant effect on saving behavior in vocational student. Fourth, the variable of financial literacy has a positive and significant effect on financial attitude in vocational student. And the last, fifth, the variable of financial attitude has a positive and significant effect on saving behavior in vocational student. Recommendation for next research. The selection of sample or respondent can use the combination of high school and vocational student as high school student, or use another larger population so that it can be easier and faster to collect data. The research location can be expanded so that it does not only refer to the Jabodetabek area or uses other interesting areas for research. And last, next researchers can add variables or use other variables that have not been used in this study. So this is my thesis presentation. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.